Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to show you how I style this beautiful girl's hair. She's doing a U-part wig and chins in the front and in the middle, well on the side because she's doing the side part, so we're leaving hair on the side and in the front. And I'm going to show you how I braid her hair and I sew down the weave. So before we start, I want to thank everybody for all the love and support that they've shown me since I started my channel. I really appreciate all the love. Thank you so much. Also, I wanted to say, if you're watching this video and this is your first time on my channel, welcome. Please don't forget to like my video and also to share and to subscribe to the channel so that you don't miss any videos that I put out. Okay, so with my sewing pattern is very simple, I think. I'm sewing the hair underneath that braid so that when she lifts her hair up, you'll not be able to tell or see the braid underneath. So I'm sewing the track underneath that braid, and I'm going to do that all around the parameter so that she'll be able to lift her hair and put it in a ponytail without actually detecting the braid underneath. So that's what I'm doing here. I'm braiding it, and I'm not going through the weft. I'm actually going around the weft, and I'm tying one knot. So around the weft, and then through, and then tying a knot. Sorry, my camera died, and I didn't know I didn't have enough battery left. But this is the next day, and I'm doing the exact same thing. That's my sewing pattern around the weft until I get to a point where I have to actually go through the weft and make a knot. But other than that, I'm going around the weft. And I also put a sewing net around where she had her part, so that when I get there, I am not actually putting pressure on her hair or her on her hair and scalp, but I'll be actually sewing the hair on top of the sewing net. I'm not sure why I didn't get that part in this video, but I actually sewed a net right there so that I'm not sewing on her scalp or like directly on her hair close to her scalp. I wanted to protect her hair, so I put a sewing net right there. So this is the final look. It's not completely done, but this is her hair all sewn together. So all I'm going to do now is to style her hair, and we didn't actually finish styling the hair in this video because we had other plans for the rest of the day. But I'm going to show you how I get her leave outs to blend in silky and nicely into this hair that we just sewed on. So to begin, I'm going to use my Afro G keratin hairspray on her hair. We want to protect hair as much as we can, so I'm spraying that all over her hair, her leave out, and then I'm going to go in again with my heat protectant spray, and I've sprayed that all over her hair. We want to prevent all heat damage as much as we can. We want her hair to be healthy when she takes out her weave and not worry about all kinds of heat damage and breakage. So that's what we did here. I'm going to go ahead and flat iron. And if you see any smoke at all during this process, it's all steam from the product that we use. I'm not actually burning her hair. I wanted to do a poll. I don't know if you guys want me to do a video where I show you how I braid or do a weave and I explain it in 3 I see that as something that is going on YouTube. If you want me to hear me speaking tree and explaining what I'm doing, please give this video a thumbs up. So I'm on the final 2 parts, I believe. I'm making sure I get the parts right. So flat iron in the hair. Again, same technique. Trying to get as close to the scalp as much as possible, but I don't want to burn her. So we're trying not to put the flat iron on her scalp. But we want to flat iron this as smooth as possible. So you see how shiny and smooth that is? Yeah, that's what you want. Okay, so once I'm done flat ironing her hair, I'm actually going to go in with my wax. I'm going to go in with my Dax wax, hairdressing wax, and I'm going to put it all over her hair at the leave out section so that I can smooth her hair and blend it with the actual weave. Once I'm done with that, I'm smoothing her edges, and yeah, this is the end result. And sorry about the lighting, it wasn't really great, but yeah, here is the end result. We ended up curling it later on in the night. Thank you so much for watching my video. Please like, share, and subscribe to my channel.